folks? Welcome back to another video. It's your boys, Aaron and Luke, and we're back at his dad's garage, I guess you could say. We got a nice wagon on a frickin'... Why are they on stacks?
I'm just doing headers.
Is he? Oh, because they drag so low, right? So that's what they look like right now. It's quite a big difference. So he's just trying to tuck them up more.
Yeah.
Is he gonna do it himself?
Yeah.
Oh, word. Yeah, anyways, Luke's already got an early start this morning. Finally replacing the CV boot that was punctured and leaking grease for probably what, like about 2 months? With that being said, Luke also got a surprise in the mail. Not really a surprise. They finally showed up. Oh, I can't show them. Here's a little teaser. Just a little bit of stretch on either side. Let's just go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty, so this is what we gotta do. We got the axle right there. We gotta take it out of the hub. Now the hub right now is not coming forward enough to get the axle out. So that's where we're gonna come on, reef on this muff, pull that axle out, get that CV boot off. You have a new one, right?
I got 2 new ones.
Are we doing both sides?
Might as well.
Okay, fair enough. Anyways, get that off. Let's get the new boot on, and let's get started. And with some nice gentle persuasion and a little turn of the wheel.
Stick come out full.
All right, axles out, boys. Let's get these boots off, and let's get pumping. Hey, boy. Yeah, boy. We got the new boots right here. We gotta pack it with grease. That's gonna be a fun, messy job. So once we get those on, we got the front, we got the back. Slap that axle back in and get those new wheels on, baby. All right, we got one of the boots off. Made an absolute mess. So this side is what goes into the transmission. I looked it all apart. Absolute mess. But now we got the actual side that goes onto the hub. This one, the clamps are really being hard to take off because these are what we had to take off. Yeah. This side wasn't so bad. These sides are really tight. We got to kind of manipulate them. We got to figure out how we're going to snip them off because, you know, it's like we can't get snips under there, but we are trying to get a screwdriver under there. We can't get a screwdriver under there. So we're kind of trying to just figure it out right now as we go. So where we're at is this end of the axle looks like that. Okay. That's what the boot looks like. Oh boy. Then we've got this one. And we've got this one. Can you spot the difference? Mm-hmm. There's no shapes. It's just circles. So come back next week for... What's up, y'all? It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. It's been a few long hours. This is what we've done since. We pulled this apart. Wrong boot. We showed you that. Wrong boot. We go around trying to find the right boot. Can't find the right boot anywhere. Never mind the right boot. We were also looking for hub-centric rings for Luke's car because the wheels, hubs, bore size is bigger than the actual car. Turns out we find that you actually don't need them, I guess, supposedly. They're just there for like vibrations and stuff like that. So since we can't find the right boot, we have one ordered. But in the meantime, we got a $100 axle right here. Is it the right kind of end right there? Not 100%. Is it the right size? Yeah. Is it for a Subaru? Yeah. Should it work? Possibly. Are we gonna make it work? Maybe. Anyways, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to throw that axle in for the meantime until we can get the other CV boot. Once we get that, then we'll probably throw this axle back in. take that one out. And then, you know, if in case we snap an axle, then we have an extra one. After that, we're going to throw the wheels on and hopefully get this rolling. Okay. Oh my God.
It's definitely gonna need some camera.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it doesn't look like a spaceship anymore.
Yeah.
Dude. Alrighty, boys, as you can see, it's the next day. Luke ended up, I was doing some things. Luke ended up going and getting a new axle.
It's no. I reused the one that John bought for me.
How?
It's the exact same axle. I'll like explain later.
Okay, well, Luke will explain later, but I guess it was the right axle then. What we were trying yesterday, it was like we thought it was too long, but it's not.
We made it not long.
Oh, you modified it.
Yeah.
Oh,
so basically,
okay.
that very end piece, actually, I'll show you on the other one. So let's get the important stuff done.
Okay, yeah. We'll explain later, but basically, Luke ended up getting an axle in. We're not throwing the wheels on. If it's a big surprise, these are the wheels. This is like the first one going on. The rest are all on the ground. But yeah, we'll get a little update when they're all on. Welcome to Luke's axle school while he explains axles.
So basically, you see, this is the exact same length as the OEM one, but this was like, what, 1/8 of an inch too long. Then we determined that it wasn't actually 1/8 of an inch too long. This collar here, which is just sits on a dust seal, it's really not that important. It's shorter. So we took a screwdriver and a hammer, and just to see if it would pop off, started hammering on it, and sure enough it comes off. So we pull it off of this one and pull the OEM one off, take this one off, put the OEM one onto the new axle, but then it was too loose, like it jiggled. So we ended up taking this and cutting off the part that flares out and just using like the barrel of it as a shin. So we hammered it on, and it's a little janky, but it's on there.
So what you're getting at is that axle is never going back on.
Well, yeah.
It will? But you don't have the ring for it.
Yeah, but there's like rebuild kits for that end. Like that's why I couldn't buy just a boot, was because it comes with that male side that goes into the transmission.
Oh, I see.
We pulled off that collar.
Oh, yeah. Very neat, very neat. Well, there you go. Luke's Customs. That's the new thing. But
Thank you to Craig for that, actually.
there we go. That's how she stands. Not gonna give you guys too much. But you know how it is. We'll see. We'll see.
Oh yeah. That looks way better.
Alrighty. What should we do now? Do we roll the edit?
A little bit.
What?
Might as well.
Alright. With that being said, boys, final verdict. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have a little bit of rubbing on turning. That's minuscule.
Yeah, no scrapes.
No scrapes. Obviously it's probably mainly on the inside just because it's so tight inside. What were you running before? It was like an 8 wide. This is a 9.5 wide.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know how wide the other ones are, but these are 9.5.
But anyways, so it's just a little bit wider on the inside. It might rub a little bit, but it's only on turning, so that's something to deal with. Yeah, sorry the video was so mismatched. I didn't really know Luke was gonna be able to get a new axle today. I wasn't really around, so that's why there was not that much content on putting the new axle in. But this is definitely not finished. It's a very dirty car. Might have to go more low.
Dial fitment in.
Dial fitment in. You know what? This is just like, let's just get them rolling, get them going. Anyways, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching another video. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.